Hey guys, how's it going? How to vote from prison. So first of all, research your state's regulations regarding voting rights for incarcerated individuals. Contact your local election office or visit their website for guidance on voting procedures for inmates. Next step, if allowed, ensure you are registered. Some states may allow registration while incarcerated, right? And if you're eligible, request an absentee ballot or mail-in ballot through the appropriate channels. Next, complete your ballot following the instructions provided, ensuring you send it back in time for it to be counted. Always seek assistance from legal advocacy groups if needed to navigate the voting process while incarcerated. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to